Good morning, all.
I'm Shivam.
I'm Sahil.
Environment pollution is the biggest problem faced by humans, animals, as well as plants.
Chemical fertilizers can kill the organisms when they enter in the food chain.
Burning of field residues left after cutting of crops releases toxic gas in our environment.
Today, we are going to make a project on pollution.
And by our project, we will suggest some important ways how we can reduce various type of pollution.
Shivam, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. We are ready with the required materials.
So, let us make the project.
These are fertilizer bottles. This is our industry. These are field residues. This is non-biodegradable fertilizer. This is dung manure. It is green manure. This is vermicompost. This is the tank for decomposition.
This is sickle.
This is the setup for hydroponics. Our project is based on agriculture and food security. In our project, we have shown agriculture with sustainable development. We have shown various types of pollution, such as air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and their effects on human life. Soil and water pollution are caused by waste material, industrial effluents, and chemical fertilizers. They are hazardous and are non-biodegradable. Stop it! Don't throw waste in open. Stop it! Chemical fertilizers are hazardous. These mix with rainwater and enter water bodies.
These chemical fertilizers accumulate in our body and cause diseases like typhoid, diphtheria, skin disease, nerve disorder, diarrhea.
Drinking polluted water causes serious disease. Studies have shown that 70% of Indian water bodies are getting toxic and are unfit for drinking. It is really surprising that 1.5 million children die every year due to water diseases. Soil pollution causes acidification of soil and it also reduces its fertility. Another type of pollution is air pollution, which is mainly caused by industries as well as by agriculture sector. Burning of crackers and field residues cause air pollution. Stop it! Burning of field residues in open releases toxic gases. It also causes smoke in winters. Instead of burning these field residues, we can make biochar, which is a very good fuel, by burning it in limited supply of oxygen. We have shown an innovative idea of making biochar. Paddy straw, wheat residues are slowly burnt in a pit in absence or in limited supply of oxygen. Then it is covered with a layer of sand. It cools down to give biochar. It is very porous, it increases the water holding capacity and it also increases the germination of seeds. It is inexpensive and can be made at home. It can also be used as a surface for animal bedding. It is a good adsorbent. It minimizes the emission of greenhouse gases and it also reduces the odor of animal waste. To conserve safe drinking water and to prevent wastage of it, we have shown methods such as drip irrigation and wheat plantation. We have also prepared manure such as dung manure, green manure and vermicompost. These increase the fertility of soil as they are very rich in nutrients as well as minerals. So we can increase the fertility of soil without making the use of chemical fertilizers. By the decomposition of organic waste, we can get a good manure as well as biogas, which is a good fuel.
In our project, we have shown plantation using hydroponics. In this method, we use water with added nutrients to grow the plants. The water circulates in a pipe and provides nutrients to the plant.
Our whole project is low cost, economical and provides jobs to the farmers. We have used only the waste material to make our project. The idea of 9Rs and biochar are very innovative, which will reduce pollution and will save our environment. Thank you.